Currently in Australia and New Zealand, Okuma Australia and New Zealand employ around 50 people, of which about 70% are customer support, service, applications, spare parts. In 2018 we introduced Monosakuri, which is the art of making things better. Introduced that to actually make the company better for the staff, and then would follow on to making it better for the customers.
A Japanese machine tool brand is another level quality machine tool, but also service and support backup is next level. So the people and the genuine offerings we offer shows through in what we deliver, and the customers respect that and love that.
At Okuma we build every spindle, motor, drive and control, which gives us complete harmony over that technology. We want our customers to know that we do more than just sell a machine. Following through on our Monosakuri philosophy of the art of doing things better than ever, and we really take that to heart.
I think whilst we are globally owned, we are independently managed, which allows us the flexibility to cater for our market and make decisions on the spot. And we look after our machines from start to finish, no matter 1 year old or 30, 40 years old.
We have a lot of engineers in every state. We have fully serviced offices within every state of Australia, including Auckland and Christchurch. Some of the best engineers in the industry. We have about 50 employees. We have great machines, and I think our customers benefit from all those.
I'm a little biased, but I think manufacturing companies should choose Okuma. Well-known brand, leading edge technology, best support in Australia, longevity. Okuma's been in Australia for 40 plus years. It's a very good choice for them.